Hey gang, I'm here at home today and I've been going through the cabinet, straightening some things out, and I find all kinds of stuff I forgot I even had. Um, Figured I'd make a little quick video here. Haven't made any dessert for a while, so I found a few packs of these Jell-O pumpkin spice that we bought during the holidays and didn't make them yet, so I'm going to make something with that. So I put 2 packs of the Jell-O pudding filling stuff in here. And it normally calls for 3 cups of milk each pack. But I'm only going to put 2. So we'll have a little bit firmer pudding than what it's designed for here. So just bear with me. This is a mad scientist experiment. Okay, so we're going to mix this stuff up. You know, sometimes if the pudding, you don't eat it the first day, it gets all wet and runny in the refrigerator, and I'm thinking maybe if I put less milk in there, it won't do that. Okay, so we're mixing this all up until it's already thickening up a little bit. All right. Now, my idea is I made this little container and I crunched up a box of these sweet animal crackers, which is going to be our crust stuff in the bottom there, okay? So we're going to pour this in. Hopefully that stuff will stay on the bottom. Maybe not. Well, you know what? That's probably not a bad idea, and we'll just have the stuff all around inside there, suspended in midair. Okay, I'm liking that. Actually, there's a little left in the bag. I'm going to dump the rest in here. It's all sweet. Okay. Let's put the lid on this thing. I'm going to throw it in the refrigerator. We'll see how it goes. Okay, it's been a couple hours, and I'll tell you what, this stuff, it did what I thought it was going to do. It got very firm. Okay, and I tried a little taste already, and believe it or not, the darn cookies are still crunchy in there. They're not all mushy. Good. Tastes like pumpkin pie. Exactly. I'm gonna have to go buy some Cool Whip.